Close your eyes for a moment. Imagine floating through endless darkness. No sound, no gravity, only silence, and an ocean of stars. Since the beginning of civilization, humanity has looked at the night sky and asked the same impossible question. What's out there? We discovered planets, galaxies, black holes, and billions upon billions of stars. Yet, the more we discover, the less we seem to understand. Scientists believe the universe has been expanding for nearly 13.8 billion years. Every second, space itself stretches farther, carrying galaxies away from each other like leaves drifting across an endless sea. But here's the question almost no one stops to ask. If the universe is expanding, what exactly is it expanding into? And perhaps the answer is stranger than the universe itself. Before we ask what's beyond the universe, maybe we should ask something even stranger. Does the universe even have an edge? Because if it doesn't, then perhaps we've been asking the wrong question all along. Imagine an ant walking across the surface of a balloon. As the balloon expands, every point moves farther away from every other point, but the ant never reaches an edge. From its perspective, the surface simply keeps going. Many scientists believe our universe behaves in a similar way. Space isn't expanding into empty space. That space itself is expanding, a concept so strange that our brains were never designed to truly imagine it. Every answer we discover creates even bigger questions. Maybe that's the true nature of knowledge. The closer we get to understanding reality, the more mysterious reality becomes. But what if the universe isn't everything? What if our entire cosmos is only a tiny piece of something far greater? A possibility that leads us to one of the most fascinating ideas in modern physics, the multiverse. What if our universe isn't unique? What if everything we've ever known, every galaxy, every star, every human being exists inside just one cosmic bubble? Some physicists have proposed an extraordinary possibility that our universe may be only one universe among countless others. Together, they form what is often called the multiverse. Imagine a universe where gravity is weaker, another where stars never formed, another where time flows differently, or perhaps a universe where Earth never existed at all. Somewhere, could another version of you exist? One who made different choices, lived a different life, asked different questions? We don't know. And that's exactly what makes the idea so fascinating. There is no direct evidence that other universes exist, at least not yet. For now, the multiverse remains one of science's most intriguing possibilities. But here's an even stranger thought. What if the greatest mystery isn't what's beyond our universe, but whether reality itself is real? But what if we've been asking the wrong question all along? Instead of asking, what's beyond the universe? Maybe we should ask, is the universe even real? Everything you've ever touched, every mountain, every ocean, every star in the night sky could simply be the way your mind interprets reality, not reality itself. Look closer and the solid world begins to disappear. At the smallest scales, matter is mostly empty space, tiny particles bound together by forces we still struggle to fully understand. Some philosophers and a few scientists have even wondered, could reality be something like a simulation? Not because we have proof, but because asking impossible questions has often led to the greatest discoveries. Maybe the universe isn't hiding its secrets from us. Maybe we simply haven't learned how to ask the right questions. And if that's true, then one final question remains. What if the universe has been watching us too? Every discovery we've ever made has answered one question, only to reveal 100 more. Maybe that isn't a flaw in science. Maybe it's the very reason science exists. Thousands of years ago, we believed the stars were tiny lights above our heads. Today, we know they are distant suns, scattered across a universe so vast that light itself cannot cross all of it. Every generation looks at the same sky, but each generation sees a different universe. Not because the universe changes, but because our understanding does. Perhaps the greatest mystery isn't what's hiding among the stars. It's why a universe made of silent matter somehow gave birth to minds capable of wondering about it out of billions of galaxies. We are the part of the universe that can ask questions, and maybe that makes us more extraordinary than we realize. But after everything we've explored, one question still refuses to disappear. What if the universe has no end at all? Maybe the universe doesn't owe us answers. Maybe it was never meant to. We spend our lives searching, looking farther, building larger telescopes, asking deeper questions, hoping that one day the universe will finally reveal its greatest secret. But what if the greatest secret isn't hidden beyond the stars, or inside a black hole, or somewhere at the edge of space? What if the greatest mystery has always been us, a universe made of dust, somehow becoming conscious enough to question its own existence? Maybe we are incredibly small, or maybe we are unimaginably important. We simply don't know yet, and perhaps that's what makes the universe so beautiful. Not because it gives us every answer, but because it never stops giving us new questions. So, if one day you discovered the truth, would you really want to know it?